Oh, wow. What kind of smell is this? I'm dizzy. Let me open everything here. As soon as I opened the car door, the smell made me dizzy. What is this? Ugh, damn it. I'm holding my breath. Ugh, the smell is reaching all the way here. Damn it. Do you want one or two? One key or two key? Two keys? I'm exhausted from holding my breath. My second key doesn't working, so I am able to make only one key for you.
And that gets me going.
Yeah, it will. Here's your new key. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, okay?